Hola, hello, how are you? My name is Uncle Bruce, and I'm here to tell you about two words that are important in English. Then and than. Okay, we have TH, th. Then and than. Then is later, depois. And than is do que, is comparative, okay? I like sports better than sleeping. It's not true. I like sleeping better than sports, but I like both actually. And then the word then is later. Like I will speak about than, and then I will speak about then, ok? Estranho, né? Então, eu gostaria de falar com vocês sobre isso. Eu gostaria falar, okay? And so, have a good day. I hope you have a good day. Good day. Bye-bye. Ciao, ciao.